Let's talk about nesting. You know those Russian dolls that you can buy on the streets of big tourist cities? They show the many dimensions of history all in one interlocking toy. The outer doll here is Vladimir Putin, Russia's dictator. Inside him, Boris Yeltsin. Inside him, Mikhail Gorbachev. Inside him, Joseph Stalin. And inside him, the founder of the Soviet Union, V.I. Lenin. Don't tell the Khrushchev or Brezhnev families that their patriarchs are missing. Those interlocking dolls show the basic structure of good writing. You start with the core piece, then you build on that, then you build on that, then you build on that. So all the pieces fit together. The big pieces fit together with the little pieces. Like this, let's start with the core of all good writing. The sentence. Every sentence should take a complete, if short, journey, which starts and ends strongly. Every paragraph should take a slightly longer journey, which starts and ends strongly. Each sentence in the paragraph contributes to the mini-drama of that paragraph. The section is a collection of paragraphs. Every paragraph with its own mini-drama contributes to the larger journey of the section. The chapter collects these sections until finally the book or report or other large piece, well, you know the drill. The whole piece contains all the chapters, which contains all the sections, which contain all the paragraphs, which contain all the sentences. Pause the video for a moment to read this brief passage. Then we'll take a look at how it follows this nesting concept. Notice how each sentence starts strongly and ends strongly. Now let's take it up a level. Each paragraph starts and finishes strongly. And another level up, the whole piece, this is just a short 3-paragraph piece, but the whole piece begins and ends strongly too. If you can nest your stories and ideas, you can give your writing unity. All the pieces relate to each other and to the whole piece. It's an advanced skill, but now that you know about it, you can do it. Let's see how nesting works in Stephen Crane's classic, The Red Badge of Courage. The book starts with this stark sentence, giving us the scene, a Union camp during the Civil War. In that first paragraph, the same beginning zooms out and brings the enemy, the Confederates, into the story. The enemy isn't far, so there's a sense of imminent danger. The first paragraph ends by showing the enemy, the Confederates. The enemy isn't far, so there is a sense of imminent danger. Then, moving out a little bit more, you get a sense of the outside world. By the end of the first chapter, we see the hero calming down after a period of panic. And at the end of the whole book, the hero has proved his manhood. It's been a hard struggle from that starting point at the camp in the cold, but he has grown into a man. Let's see how Andre Agassi nests his stories in his tennis memoir, Open. Agassi describes his angry and frustrated youth when his father forced him to train to be a tennis champion. He concludes with his retirement when he finally found peace in someone who understood him. Let's follow this story, step by step. We meet Agassi before a big match, and he doesn't know where he is. It's a hotel room. A hotel room like any other. That's life on the road for the professional athlete. By the end of the first paragraph, Agassi grapples with this confusion and starts to face up to it. By the end of the section, he makes sense of his blind